Looking for a way to make dinner fun and delicious? Well, we have that for you today thanks to Suzanne Clark from livingacreativelife.net. You're actually doing spaghetti and meatballs, but with a twist.
It is. We're doing spaghetti cups with meatballs and spaghetti sauce.
Okay, this is going to be super easy, you guys. Where should we start?
Well, first of all, I already pre-boiled some pasta, some spaghetti here. So we already have that done, and it's kind of cold, and that's important. So in the pan that we cooked the pasta in, we're just going to use that, so we don't want a lot of cleanup.
Same one, okay.
And we are going to add some softened cream cheese. This is some Challenge cream cheese.
Okay, so this is what you have right here.
Yes.
How much? Just one package?
One 8-ounce package.
Okay.
It's quite delicious, and this is going to give us a nice creamy, almost like an Alfredo sauce. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Now we need the eggs. We're just going to beat, kind of like lightly whisk 3 eggs, and that's important because that's going to hold together our sauce.
Yeah, and then this this is over, a medium heat.
Exactly.
Cooktop.
And then I'm going to add evaporated milk, not sweetened condensed milk. We want to use evaporated
because we don't
milk.
Want sweetness in here.
No.
Okay.
And I love using this instead of cream. It gives it a nice rich taste without all the fat and calories. But I just think it's a good taste.
Okay.
Now this is 3 cloves of garlic.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get all that goodness out of here. If your family likes more garlic, you can always add more. And then I'm going to add the grated Parmesan cheese.
Okay, great. So we're going to make this, get this all going, and then that's going to heat up and make a nice sauce.
Yes,
okay?
Exactly. And, let's go ahead and give this a little whisk here. Try to get some of those little lumps out of it, because then we're going to put the spaghetti in here.
Oh, okay. Now you're going to wait. This heats up a little bit, warms up, then you're going to toss the spaghetti in.
Yes, but for time's sake today, we're just going to go ahead and add it right now, okay?
Okay. So then do I stir this up too?
Yeah, we just want to coat it with the sauce.
Right.
And I like it to sit for maybe 5-10 minutes to make sure the sauce is really in there. Now I'm going to show you how to make the nest because you might think it's a little hard to do.
That's what I was wondering. I was like, how am I going to do that? Okay.
So what we want to first start off though is make our little crumb topping. And I have a melted stick of butter here. And this could not be simpler. I'm just going to add a cup of Italian panko crumbs and some more Parmesan cheese. And when I stir that up, this is going to make a little crunchy coating for the bottom of our cups. And I'm sprinkle it on
for the bottom and top. Okay.
But the texture is kind of good. So we're just going to put a little bit like this in our pan, all right, just to start off with. Now, you know how like you see people on TV twirl spaghetti? That's pretty much what we're going to do. We're just going to pick up like a serving of spaghetti and twirl. Okay, once we have that twirl, we're just going to put it right here into the cup, and we're just going to make a little indent.
So you're just going to make sure there's like a little hole.
Right, exactly, because we want that to kind of keep that little meatball in place when we put it in there. So just this easy.
Okay, now once this is done, are you baking it?
Yes, we're going to sprinkle with a little bit more crumbs, and we are going to go ahead and put this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. That is it. Now, we're going to do our little topping. I am really going to push the easy button here, and these are pre-made meatballs. If you would like to make your own meatballs, you definitely can. And all I'm going to do is simmer them in some tomato sauce, some spaghetti sauce. Whatever brand you like is great.
Grab a jar and throw it in.
And then we're just going to let these simmer, get nice and warm in the sauce. And this is how we're going to serve them.
So these just came out of the oven. These are warmed up.
We're going to put a little bit of sauce for that meatball. We're going to put a meatball on top, maybe a little bit more sauce, as you see, and then a sprinkle of basil.
Oh my gosh, there you go.
Doesn't that look delicious?
Spaghetti and meatballs with a twist. Get the recipe at livingacreativelife.net.